Why should you consider legal workmate for your business journey? Our organization has an experience of more than 7 years and working through online model since last 3 years with 60 plus 5-star Google review in last 2 years. Having community of more than 1400 entrepreneurs. Single window communication for all compliances which is handled by experienced professional only. Company compliance dashboard to track all your compliance status, documents and regular reminder for all the upcoming compliances. Associated with 15 plus chartered accountants and advocate firms across India for your litigation and assessment matters. Regular personalized consultancy service for all clients in respect of taxation, accounting and fundraising matters. Let's have a walk over on our registration process. Still searching whether to go for a private limited or LLP or any other matter? Then just give us a call or message and our concerned team member will guide you with all your queries. To avail service, visit legalworkmate.com and click on Purchase Now button and make partial or full payment. After a payment, you will get login ID and password of your dashboard on your enter email ID at the time of checkout. Login and upload all the details in one simple form. Now your permanent assigned team member will apply for your company name approval and send you a name approval letter once approved by the government. You will get documents for director signature and will initiate digital signature process. Once documents are received, the same will be verified and submitted in respective government forms in 2 or 3 working days. Final registration certificate will be issued and you will be given all the documents for bank account opening. Entire process may take 7 to 15 working days depending on time taken by the clients for document submission. Once we complete with your business registration, our real journey begins. Post registration, your permanent assigned team member will not only guide but also get all your annual monthly legal compliances done to avoid any government penalties. Like a personalized accountant, we will get your monthly compliances like accounting, GST, TDS and payroll filing done to assure that there is no late payment fees. On a monthly basis, you will just have to log in on your dashboard and upload your details in respective folder and just message your assigned person. Our team will take care of all regular compliances including annual ROC and getting statutory audit done through CA form. No need to hire accountant or approach any other consultant. In case of any required physical visit to the respective department, our associate CA or advocate or tax consultant will take care of the same.